Are you planning a Vegas trip and thinking about staying at an MGM property? Let me help you pick one, as I've stayed at all of them in my recent trips. I'll give you a quick glance at the hotel rooms and share the average pricing and a few helpful tips for each one. Here's the list of hotels I'll cover: Mandalay Bay, W Las Vegas, Luxor, Excalibur, New York, New York, MGM Grand, Park MGM, NoMad, Aria, Vdara, the Cosmopolitan, and Bellagio. This will be a quick and easy way to check them all out at once, so you can figure out which one fits your style and budget best. If you're looking for a deep dive to see how I rank them, what to expect from each hotel, and my personal experience, I've got that in another video. So be sure to hit subscribe and stay tuned. Okay, let's get started. We'll start on the south end and go all the way to the center strip one by one. First up is Mandalay Bay. It's located at the far south end of the strip. Mandalay Bay has a tropical resort vibe with one of the best pool complexes in Vegas. It's also a top pick if you're heading to a concert or a game at Allegiant Stadium, and super convenient from the airport too. Next up, W Las Vegas, formerly Delano. W Las Vegas shares the Mandalay Bay complex but gives you a quieter, more refined experience. It's all suite, no casino, and it feels like a boutique-style hotel. Perfect if you want Mandalay Bay's perks without the hustle. The next one is Luxor. Famous for its pyramid shape and Egyptian theme, Luxor is one of the most affordable MGM options on the strip. Right next to Luxor is Excalibur. Excalibur is family-friendly and playful with its medieval theme. It's another value choice with great connections to neighboring hotels. Now let's check out New York, New York. With a fun New York theme and a roller coaster outside, New York, New York gives you a high-energy stay and is a great starting point for walking the strip. What about MGM Grand? It's a mega resort that has it all. Huge pool complex, restaurants, shows, and nightlife. A classic choice if you want everything under one roof. Next up, Park MGM. Park MGM is modern, mellow, and totally smoke-free, the only strip casino to offer that. It's well connected to nearby hotels and has direct access to T-Mobile Arena and Dolby Theater. Located on the upper floors of Park MGM, NoMad feels like a hidden luxury escape with European-style rooms and exclusive touches. You still get full access to Park MGM's amenities, but with a boutique hotel vibe and a private lobby experience. Next one is Aria, a modern hotel with sleek rooms, top-tier dining, and upscale vibe. Very well connected to both high-end and mid-tier options nearby. If you want quiet, comfort, and no casino smoke and noise, Vdara is the choice. It has all-suite rooms with kitchenettes and is just steps away from the action. Next one is the Cosmopolitan. Trendy and youthful, Cosmopolitan stands out with its terrace rooms, some with fountain views, and a buzzing food and nightlife scene. Last but not least, Bellagio. Elegant, iconic, and home to the famous fountains, Bellagio is high-end Vegas at its best and located right in the center of the Strip. And that's a quick look at all the MGM hotels in Las Vegas. I hope this helps you narrow down your choices or maybe even spark some new ideas for your next stay. So which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear what you think. In my next video, I'll share how I personally rank these hotels, what stood out and what didn't, and some insider tips that helped me score better rooms, extra perks, and an overall better experience at MGM properties. If that sounds good, be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.